tip for you today, huwag mong hanapin ang madali. Ang hanapin mo, ano yung tamang proseso na kailangan mong daanan para maging successful ka. Walang shortcut kasi hindi success ang lalapit sa'yo. If you want it, you have to work for it. Ang tagumpay ay nakakamit sa pamamagitan ng dedikasyon, pagsusumikap at pagtsatsaga. It may not be an easy journey, pero tandaan mo, lahat ng pagsusumikap mo at pagsasakripisyo mo ngayon ay worth it lahat sa dulo. Huwag kang sumuko dahil makakamit mo rin yung mga pangarap mo. God bless you.
Padayon, it's fine to feel lost sometimes, to make mistakes, and fine to not be the best version of ourselves. Just remember to carry on, to always find beauty in the things that makes you happy. Keep pursuing your dreams, keep dreaming, keep choosing to move forward, and keep going. Padayon, you have a bright future ahead of you.